Sales.
Yeah.
602,000.
Yes.
602,000. Then what about sales returns? Sales returns. Sales return. Return inward.
17,000.
Return inwards.
Yeah.
17,800. Now take it away, please. Please be fast about it.
Yes.
Stop this mental calculation for me. I want calculator here.
584,200.
584,000. 584,200. Good. Now that's our cost of sales. Now we next our cost of sales. What's the opening stock?
31,000.
31,000 opening stock.
Purchases is
31,000. Hold on, please. Let's put it here. 31,000, right? What's your purchases?
Purchases is
194,000.
184,000?
194.
94,000.
Yes.
Less your purchases. What's your less purchases? Sorry.
Return outward, right?
Yeah, return outward, yeah.
6,100.
194,000, right?
Yes.
So what's your return outward?
6,100.
61,100.
Yeah.
Now take it away, please.
لا لسه 6,100.
6,100, right?
Yes. Yeah.
1,087, 600, 900.
One what?
1,000. لا. 187,600.
187,600. 187,600. Okay?
900. 900.
Please, in accounting, you get it right the first time. That's why I don't want mental calculation here. 187,900. You don't speak Arabic in my class at all. Alright, so what does that give you? This plus this, what does that give you, please? What's custom duty? How much is your custom duty?
500.
Custom duty 500? Okay. Carriage inwards. Remember we did carriage yesterday. We have carriage inward and carriage outward. What's your carriage inward for yesterday? Your carriage inward. In the additional information, we did carriage on sales, carriage on purchases. Carriage on sales is carriage inward. 4,000. Hello. The total carriage is 10,002. Was it 10,002?
Yeah, 10,200.
That is the total carriage. We apportioned it yesterday. We divided it. Carriage on sales, carriage on purchases. Now we have carriage on purchases, which is carriage inward. So how much is it? 4,080. Are we sure?
Yes.
This is carriage on purchases, right? Great. Now our closing stock. What's our closing stock? Closing stock. Our closing stock, please. Closing stock. You find your closing stock at the additional information. Additional information. Now close that textbook. Find it from what I wrote.
I don't write this information.
Additional information. So none of you wrote the additional information.
Yes.
God help you. Additional information. Yeah, our closing stock is a stock for resale 31/12/2022, 22,000. Closing stock is what? 22,000. 22,000. Now, add this minus this. What does that give you, please? Your closing stock is 22,000. So this plus this plus this plus this minus this. What does that give you, please?
We start from 31,000.
Yes, please. I want the girls to give me answers now, not you. The girls, calculate for me.
Where's the loan? Huh? I'm saying.
Loan is balance sheet, not profit and loss.
This.
What's the?
Not you. I want the girls to give me the answer now.
200.
Are you a girl? Say it out. Gulani. What's the figure? Give it to her.
200, 201,480.
Can we just keep quiet, please, and let me hear what they're saying? 200 and what? 201,480. The total of this. This plus this plus this plus this minus this, right?
Yes, it's 201,000.
201,480. Thank you. Now you take this away from me. This is our cost of sales. So take it away. What does that give you?
Take it with that one.
Yeah, you minus it from this. 201,000. Let me write it down. 201,480.
382,700.
Huh? 382,700.
What does it give you, please?
382,700.
300.
82,000.
720, right?
Yeah.
So these are our gross profit. Do we get gross profits now? Now from the gross profit, with less expenses, we start with the administration, wages and salaries. Check your wages and salary. Do we have any additional information on wages and salary? Wages and salary. Wages and salary is 116,000, right? You see, open that textbook. I said you close that textbook, right? You open it again, you're out of it. Don't worry, I have it here. Close it. What's it? Wages and salary, 116,000. 116,000. 116,000. Alright. Insurance. Now go back to insurance. In the additional information, we talked about that yesterday. The total insurance is how much? The total insurance is 22,500, right?
Yes.
But what happens? We have minus 400 for the house. We did that earlier.
Oh yeah.
400.
So it's 14.
22. That's 22,100 now, right? 22,100, right? 22,100. Are you guys with me? Are you here? Now we move on. Stationery. What happens to our stationery?
6,400.
It was stationery was 6,400, but what was left was 300, right? So 6,400 minus 300, 6,100. Do we understand that?
Yes.
So the expenses on stationery is 6,100. Then we have cleaning. Are you okay? Cleaning. How much is cleaning now? Cleaning is 4,700. 4,700. Are you getting it, please? Let us start finding a way of getting your out. Now we move on. Depreciation. We go back to our depreciation. For depreciation, we have for this year, all this year's depreciation. These are the depreciation for this year. Do we get that?
Add them.
We put them. So the first one is on buildings, 12,000, right? Building, 12,000.
And office equipment is
12,000. Office equipment is how much?
6,250.
6,000. Office equipment, 6,250. Yes, thank you. 6,250. That gives us 18,250, right?
Yes.
You get it, so it is. 18,250. Now, selling and distribution. Listen, for the depreciation, we're going to do first. We're going to treat assets, long-term assets. Then we're going to treat selling and distribution. For selling and distribution, we're talking about those things that we needed to convey the product to the customers. We need motor van, yes or no? So carriage outward and the carriage outward. How much is our carriage outward? The difference between 10,002 and this. We did that yesterday. What's our carriage outward yesterday? That is carriage outward.
I think we skip one.
Have not.
Selling,
Selling is this. These are selling.
6,120.
Yes, I have it here. Carriage outward. Stationary. Carriage outward. 6,120. So we have 6,120. 6,120. Advertising. Do we have anything about advertising? Do you have anything about advertising? Alright, so yeah, we have advertising. So yesterday we did the provision for we did the additional for adjustment for advertising.
It was
The amount paid was 7,006, but there is a prepaid for 1,900. The 1,900 goes to your balance sheet. So 1,900 minus 7,600 is what we have in our profit and loss account, which is 5,700. Are you with me?
Yes.
So advertising is 5,700. Advertising, 5,700. Then motor vehicle, we go back here. Motor vehicle. Where's our motor vehicle? For this year, 6,500, right?
Yes.
6,500. Motor vehicle, 6,500. Do we get that, please?
Yes, Mr.
Now the gains. Previously, on income, we have a gain of 1,270. Remember that?
Yeah.
So we have it. Discount. We have discount received. Let me check. The additional no part of the trial balance.
Discount received.
Please check. Do you have the information?
Yeah, we
Discount
have
received.
discount received.
2,600. Yeah, discount received. 2,600. 2,600. But now please add this together for me, the girls. Decrease in provision for depreciation is 1,000. Provision 1,270, right? 1,270. So the girls, please add that up for me. Now you're adding all this from here. One, better look at it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add it up together. You see that thing again? Girls. Alright, we'll move on. So what does it give you, please? 185,470. Right?
Yes.
Please confirm that.
Yes.
Thank you. So we have 185,000, sorry. 185,000. You say a word again, I'm picking out of my classroom. 185,000. 470. Okay. So we have the gains. So we're going to take this away from whatever we have here. So what, do this for me, please. What does that give you?
I will take the.
Yeah. 382,720 minus this.
197,000 250.
197,250.
Yes.
197,250, right? Now we have the gains. Discount received, decrease in provision. What does that give you, please? Yes, this. Stand up and stay there. After that, you're going out. $201,120, right?
Yes.
So that's our operating profit. Now, interest payable. Check the interest, please. The interest payable is 3,750. We did it yesterday. 3,750. Remember that? Do you remember or not, please?
Yes, miss.
3,750. 3,750. So take it away, please. What does that give you? 3,000. The girls, please. 201,120 minus 3,750. 197,370. Thank you. 197,370. Right? Confirm that, please. Yes. Any question, please? Yes.
When we add up the second one here and there and
This is your gross profit. Less expenses. These are all expenses until here. So whatever you get here, you minus it from your gross profit. Gross profit minus expenses here is your net profit. Yes, do you confirm that?
Yes.
Okay, now we move on. So that's our net profit. The profit and loss balance as at 1/1/2023. We have it in the additional information. No, additional information or the, let's see. The profit, yeah, the profit and loss balance on 1/1/2023 was 93,000. It's part of your trial balance, 93,000. 93,000. Now add it together. That's our profit and loss. Add it together, please. The girls again. 93,000 plus 197,000. 0, 7, 3, 0, 9, 2. Say it, please. Thank you. So that's our profit for the year 31/12/2023. Do we get that?
Yes, sir.
Please write. Then we have the balance sheet after this.